How to download and install Snapchat on Android phone. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install the Snapchat app on your Android phone. So if you've been trying to get Snapchat but aren't sure how, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, make sure your phone is connected to the internet. Either Wi-Fi or mobile data will work. Now open the Google Play Store on your phone. You'll usually find it on your home screen, but if not, swipe up and look for the Play Store icon. Once you're inside the Play Store, check that you're signed in with a Google account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create or log into a Google account because that's required to download apps. Next, tap on the search bar at the bottom and type in Snapchat. Hit search and you'll see the Snapchat app pop up in the results. Tap on it. Now, you'll see an install button. Go ahead and tap it. The app will start downloading, and once that's done, it will automatically install on your phone. After the installation finishes, you'll find the Snapchat icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on it, and from here, you can either log into your existing account or create a brand new one. And that's it. That's how you download and install Snapchat on your Android phone in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Android tips and tricks.